I'm a new member of the Grip6 creative team, and I need to learn about their products. And I think you could benefit too. So let's go learn about the socks. We have 5 variations of our socks. The first one is our ankle sock. Now, what I've done is I've measured from the heel to the edge of the sock. This one comes in at a measurement of 2.5 inches. You'll notice on the no-show sock is that it actually dips a little bit and then it pops back up right here at the front. This is to help secure the sock on your foot as a no-show sock. Now, if you've worn any other no-show sock, you know that it can be a hassle to get them to stay on, which is why I really love these socks. Next up is our ankle sock. Now with our ankle sock, the measurement from the heel to the edge is 3.5 inches. This is the micro crew sock. Measurement from heel to edge is 5.75 inch. This is our crew sock. Measurement from heel to edge is 8.5 inches. This is the big boy. This is our boot sock. Measurement from heel to edge is 13 inches. So those are the 5 variations of socks that we carry here at Grip6. Be sure to follow us so that you don't miss out on the next video where we discuss the different padding styles that we carry.